Okay, so we've created our ActionScript file. We've linked that file to the FLA file. We've placed a trace directive in the constructor function, and we've tested the movie and got our little output to shout out that the constructor function is running. So where do we go from here? What we want to do is we want to call an instance of our symbol onto the stage using ActionScript. Sounds fairly straightforward, but it's not really. We have to do several steps in order to get that to happen. These steps are really basic programming processes that once you get used to them will become kind of second nature, but at the beginning there are a lot of things that can go wrong, and so you just want to kind of take your time and make sure that you're following each one exactly. And so a big part has just been getting these files to link up. Well, the next step is to go ahead. Let's review what we've done already, because that's very important as you do this over and over again to understand what it is that you've been doing. Well, what we've done is we've already created a symbol in the library over here, the dog symbol. We've named that symbol using upper camel case. Only one word here, so not that crazy, dog. And we've also exported that symbol as an external class, and this we did at the very beginning, so you might have missed that. Let me review it again. So if we go back over here to our dog symbol, if I go here to the properties of that symbol down here in the little I, under the properties, under the library toolbar down at the very bottom of the page, and call that up, we see this dialog. Now by default, the advanced button here is closed, so make sure that's opened and that you've got these boxes checked here, and that the class name is the same as your symbol name up here. And that's the way we export that, so that once we do this, once we've checked these boxes and these symbol and these names match up, then we can refer back to the symbol in our ActionScript file. So once we've done that, let's see, our next step would be to declare a variable, and we're into new stuff here. So we've already done steps 1 through 3, but let's move on to step 4, which is to declare a variable to hold instances of the symbol. Well, what do we mean by that? Let's go back to the ActionScript file, and what we have to do is go here in our class definition. So after the class brace, we're going to go in and we're going to declare a variable. Okay, so what does it mean to declare a variable? Well, let me go ahead and just do it here, and then we'll break it down and look at what we just did. So in the class definition again, so after the class bracket, I type the keyword VAR, which is short for variable. It turns blue, space. Now here I put the name of my variable. The name of my variable, I'm going to follow the convention of using a lower camel case version of the symbol name. So that would be dog, lowercase. So what I've just done is named the variable dog, lowercase. Now I put a colon, which is the 2 dots. Then I put the name of my symbol, and that's upper camel case, dog. Then I conclude that directive with a semicolon. So what have we done here? Let's take a look, and let's spend a little time here looking at that directive that we just wrote. So what we've done is we've told the computer to create a variable named lowercase dog that's going to hold instances of the symbol named uppercase dog. So syntactically, let's break that down. We have the flash keyword VAR, which is short for variable. We name the variable. And we tell Flash what kind of variable or type. that variable is. Now it's worth pointing out that the only reason we can do this, that we can call this dog and Flash will understand what the heck we're talking about, is because we've gone through that process of exporting our symbol as an external ActionScript class from the library. If we hadn't done that, it's a no-go. There's no way Flash ActionScript is going to recognize what the word dog uppercase means. So that's the only reason this works. And if we want to get real technical about it, the only reason that that works is because we've imported the movie clip class and we've extended the movie clip class. And that's part of the built-in functionality that ActionScript gives you. So you can do this kind of variable typing as a result. So once we've declared our variable, we need to go on to the next step, which is to fill that variable. And we'll do that in the next video.